Hey, who is on your healthcare team? You know who's on your healthcare team? You. You. I'll be on your team too if you want. But you get to manage your health. No, your doctor does not manage your health. They may recommend, they may strongly recommend, they may tell you to do certain things that you get to decide. We need to take back our power. So, in so many ways, sister Christians, we need to take back our power in the healthcare arena. We get to decide. We say who, we say when, we say how much. You know that quote, then you are my people. And it starts here. It starts with us educating each other, working together, and supporting each other. And I'm here to provide what is actual research based health information. And to me and to Front Porch Nurse, research based means hundreds, if not thousands, of research studies supporting that information. That's what we're going to do. Take back our power, understand what we think is most important about our health and our health care, and decide how we're going to get there. And if that involves medication, by all means, absolutely yes. But it also probably involves other lifestyle behaviors that make you feel better, that your doctor may or may not talk to you about. All right, I'm here for it. Are you here for it? Let's both be here for it. Let's all be here for it together. Click, subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. I feel like such a YouTuber when I say that. Okay, see you later.